Hey Arthur, it's Lindsay, and today I have a book about colors and nature during all the seasons, and it is called Colors of Nature by Kate Riggs and illustrated by Paolo Domeniconi. Alrighty. Green, spring shoots and buds. Pink and purple flowers bloom. Blue summer shines and sparkles. White clouds drift into shade. Red fall blazes and crackles. Orange pumpkins grow round until gray winter creeps in and freezes. But watch for the green of new spring. The end.